Anyone? సార్ కొంతమందిని అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తారా తులసి సార్?
చేస్తాను మేడం, ఒక్క నిమిషం చేస్తాను.
ఓకే. And who was invented the microscope and discovery of this cell and do an experiment observing an onion peels and observing an cheek cells, human cheek cells. What is the shape of the human cheek cell and onion peel cell? Okay, the onion peel cells are rectangular in shape and human cheek cells are circular in shape. Human cheek cells are circular in shape and onion peel cells are rectangular in shape. Now we are going to discuss about the main important part, that is the nucleus. That is the nucleus. What is nucleus? The nucleus is present in the cytoplasm of the cell. The nucleus is present in the cytoplasm of the cell. Nucleus is the dark. Sir, share ఇచ్చున్నారా?
మేడం ఇచ్చాను.
Okay. Nucleus is the dark body found in the cytoplasm of the cell. Found in the cytoplasm of the cell. Okay. What is the main function of nucleus? What is the main function of nucleus? Nucleus is the controller of the nucleus is the controller of the cell. Nucleus is the controller of the cell. This is also called as control room.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
Called as, tell me.
బాబు ఏంది అడుగు.
మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే లాస్ట్ లో అడగండి.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Nucleus is the control room of the cell. This is also known as control room. This is also known as control room. All the cell activities controlled by the nucleus. All the cell activities are controlled by the nucleus. And this nucleus consists of some material that is called as genetic material. That is called as genetic material. It is the nothing but the DNA. It is the nothing but DNA. Okay. First, nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown in the year of 1831. Who was discovered nucleus?
Robert Brown.
Robert Brown in the year of 1831. Next, this is one of the most important cell organelle. This is most important organelle of the cell. This is the most important organelle of the cell. That the new cells were created from the nucleus. New cells were created from the new cells were created from the nucleus. Sir?
మేడం చెప్పండి మేడం.
అదే సార్, ఇది షేరింగ్ ఆఫ్ అయింది అందుకోసం. This is the one of the most important cell organelle, that the new cells were created from the nucleus and he called it as cytoblast. It is called as cytoblast. So inside the nucleus, it got some fluid. Inside the nucleus, it got some fluid that is called as nucleoplasm. That is called as nucleoplasm. And inside the nucleus, there is more dot bodies called as nucleolus. Inside the nucleus, that is fluid filled, it is called as nucleoplasm, and inside the nucleus is one more dot body is called as nucleolus. Next, first nucleus was first discovered by Robert Brown in the year of 1831.
1831.
This is one of the most important organelle of the cell. Okay. It is also called as control room of the cell. Why it is called as control room of the cell? It controls all activities of the cell. It controls all activities of the cell. Okay.
Cell.
Almost all eukaryotic cells have a nucleus. Eukaryotic cells means that is having nucleus and nuclear membrane. That is having membrane bounded nucleus. And prokaryotes means they do not have nucleus and they do not have nuclear membrane. Red blood cells in some mammals and phloem sieve tubes in plants are not containing nucleus. Some mammals, red blood cells are do not having, and phloem sieve tubes that is present in the plant. Xylem is transported water for the all parts of the plant, and phloem tissue is the food transported to the all parts of the plant. Next one. Next, structure of the nucleus. Nucleus contain nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, nuclear pore, genetic material, DNA or RNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA means ribonucleic acid. Next, functions of the nucleus. What is the functions of the nucleus? Nucleus is the controller of the cell. This is also called as control room. This is the one of the major function of the nucleus. Next, nucleus controls and regulates all functions of the cell. It controls the all functions of the cell. Next, it determines the characteristics of the organism. It determines the characteristic of the organism. It consists of all genetic information, that is nothing but DNA. It is also involved in cell division. Where the new cells were come from? The new cells were come from in the pre-existing cells by the division of by the process of cell division. By the process of cell division, that is the mitosis and meiosis. Next. This is the RBC. This is the phloem sieve tubes. They do not have nucleus. They do not having nucleus. Next. This is the observation of Felice Fontana. First saw the nucleus in the epithelial cells by Felice Fontana. Felice Fontana in the period of 1730 to 1805. That is the outermost layer of the animal body. That is the outermost layer of the animal body. Next, nucleus was first discovered by Robert Brown in the year of 1831. In the year of 1831. First saw the nucleus in the epithelial cells by Felice Fontana. Felice Fontana. Epithelial cells is the outermost layer of the animal body. Next. He observing cells in the epidermal orchid leaves. This is the orchid plum. He is the Felice Fontana. He is the Robert Brown. And he observed the cells in the epidermal orchid leaves. Epidermal orchid leaves. Next. He claimed that this structure was an integral part of the cell and it is called as nucleus. This is the nucleus. This is the plant cell. Nucleus, cell wall, stomata and the cytoplasm. The nucleus is present inside the cytoplasm of the cell. Next. Now it is compared to the function of nucleus. What are the different functions of nucleus? Now let us know the functions of nucleus. Already we are discussed in the one of the most major function, that is the control various activities of the cell. It controls various activities inside the cell. That is the major function of the nucleus. That is the major function of the nucleus. The second function is, it is storehouse of genetic information. It is storehouse of genetic information. So that is the genetic material. What is the genetic material present inside the nucleus? What is the genetic material present inside the nucleus? That is the DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. And the third one is the nucleus plays a major role in cell division. The nucleus plays a major role in the cell division. Cell division is a very important biological process. It is very important to all biological process. Cell division is most important in growth of organisms, and we know that the cells were come from pre-existing cells. All cells are came. Sir, slide మీద గీస్తా ఉన్నారు సార్ తులసి సార్.
మేడం మళ్ళా స్లైడ్ షేర్ చేయండి మేడం.
ఆప్షన్ ఇవ్వండి. గీస్తా ఉన్నారు సార్. ఏం సార్ వీళ్ళకి?
మేడం నేను డిలీట్ చేస్తాను మేడం. వాళ్ళ పేరు మీకు డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది, నాకు చెప్పండి, నేను డిలీట్ చేస్తాను.
నాకు ఇక్కడ అవ్వట్లేదు, మీకు అవుతుందేమో చూడండి సార్.
సరే.
He claimed that is the structure was integral part of the cell. Next, let us do an activity, that is to observe the nucleus in onion peel cells. To observe the nucleus in onion peel cells. Required materials and apparatus, that is the onion safranin or methyl blue. Next, glass slide, cover slip. Onion, glass slide, safranin solution, and cover slip. Next, procedure. First, we take a onion peel on slide. Now keep the membrane on a slide. First of all, we take the onion peel. Now keep the membrane on a slide. Now add 1 to 2 drops of safranin solution. The saffron solution is the indicator. Now add the onion peel 1 to 2 drops of safranin solution and cover with a cover slip. And it is cover with a cover slip and leave it for about 5 minutes. Leave it for 5 minutes. Then add 1 drop of water. Add 1 drop of water, drop by drop, on a slide of the cover slip while soaking the extra water with a filter paper from the other slide. Next, this will help washing away the extra stain. Now observe this slide under a compound microscope. First, we have take a onion peel on a slide. Now keep the membrane on a slide. Add 1 to 2 drops of safranin solution and cover with the cover slip. We now observe this slide under a compound microscope. Next, this is the observation. This is the onion peel cells. This is the onion peel cells. The blue colored spot appear under a microscope. That is the nucleus. This is the nucleus. This is the cytoplasm. This is the cell wall. The cell wall is only present in the plant cells. The cell wall is only present in the plant cells. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. The cell wall is made up of extra layer, that is the cell wall. Next, the blue colored spot is nothing but nucleus. The blue colored spot is nothing but nucleus. Next, let us do another activity to observe the nucleus in cheek cells. To observe the nucleus in cheek cells. First, required materials or apparatus. Sir, Tulsi sir.
మేడం చెప్పండి మేడం.
మధ్య మధ్యలో ఎందుకు స్లైడ్ ఆఫ్ అయిపోతా ఉంది? పిల్లలు ఏదైనా
మీరు చేయండి మేడం.
To observe the nucleus in cheek cells, required materials: toothpick or ice cream spoon or spatula. Next, glass slide, cover slip, watch glass, needle, blotting paper, and 1% methyl blue. It is also an indicator. Methyl blue. Next, normal saline and glycerin and microscope. This is the toothpick, ice cream spoon, permanent slide, cover slip, watch glass. This is the spatula, blotting paper, methyl blue, glycerin, and microscope. Next procedure, wash. First of all, we have to wash the mouth and scrape a little of the internal lining of the cheek inside your mouth. Observe the diagram. First, wash your mouth, scrape a little of the internal lining of the cheek cells inside your mouth and place the scraped material in a watch glass containing little quantities of normal saline. Little quantities of normal saline. Then place the material on the glass slide. Then place the material on glass slide. Put a drop of methylene blue and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Put a drop. Put a drop of methylene blue and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. And wipe off the extra stain with a cloth or blotting paper. Next, put a drop of glycerin over it and place a cover slip on it. Next, precautions. Do not scrap the cheek too hard. Do not scrap the cheek hard. Scrapped material should be spread uniformly on the slide. The scrapped the material spread into the uniformly on the slide. Excess stains should be drained off. Make sure that there are no air bubbles under cover slip. No air bubbles under cover slip. Next, observation. Cells appear in oval or round in shape. That is dark colored spherical or
స్లైడ్
oval.
పైన గీచేది గ్లాస్ నుంచి రిమూవ్ చేస్తాను చెప్తున్నా.
సార్ ఎవరు అనేది తెలియట్లేదా సార్ మీకు?
లేదు మేడం తెలియడం. షేరింగ్ ఆప్షన్ మీకు ఇచ్చాం కదా, మీకు మీ దాంట్లో డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది.
ఇంతకు ముందు ఒకటి పేరు వచ్చింది, దాని స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చేస్తున్నాను, ఉండండి సార్ చెప్తాను మళ్ళీ. సార్ ఆప్షన్ ఇవ్వండి సార్, షేర్ ఆప్షన్.
ఇచ్చాను చూడండి.
The dark colored spherical or oval dot like structure appears in the center of the cell. This is the observation. Cells appear in oval or round in shape. Dark colored spherical or oval dot like structures appear in the center of the cell. This is the nucleus. The dot body is called as nucleus. Next, the dark color structure in the cell, it is nothing but nucleus. This is the cheek cells. సార్ తులసి సార్, నేను ఒక వీడియో పెడతాను, దానికి సౌండ్ వస్తుందా లేదా చెప్పండి.
సరే మేడం. మేడం
సార్
వీడియో ఏం ప్లే చేయలేదు.
సార్ వస్తా ఉందా ఇప్పుడు?
లేదు మేడం, రాలేదు.
కనిపించలేదా? ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్.
అర్చన
సార్ వస్తా ఉందా?
సార్
లేదు, రాలేదు.
ఆ,
రావట్లేదు మ్యామ్.
మేడం
సార్
పెట్టండి మేడం.
వచ్చిందా సార్?
మళ్ళా క్లోజ్ చేశారు. వీడియో ప్లే చేయండి మేడం.
ఓకే ఓకే. వస్తా ఉందా సార్?
నో మ్యామ్. మ్యామ్ ఏమి వినిపించడం లేదు మ్యామ్.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు సార్ తులసి సార్
మేడం పెట్టండి, ప్లే చేయండి.
మ్యామ్
వాయిస్ రావట్లేదు మేడం.
నేను రెస్పాన్స్ కూడా తీసేసాను. ఇప్పుడు సార్
లేదు మేడం, వాయిస్ రావట్లేదు మేడం. వీడియోలో వాల్యూమ్ పెంచండి మేడం.
సార్ పెంచున్నాను సార్, ఫుల్ గా ఉంది వాల్యూమ్. సరేలేండి సార్, నేను వాట్సాప్ లో షేర్ చేస్తాను సార్.
సరే మేడం.
Now let us compare to the onion cells and cheek cells. What are the structures present in the cells? What are the structures present in the cells? That is the cytoplasm, nucleus, and cell membrane. Okay. Did you see a tiny dark stain thing in all these cells? Did you see a tiny dark stain things in all these cells? Yes, that is. Are they in the center of the cell in both the cells? No. Only human cheek cells are, the nucleus is present in center of the cell. The nucleus is present in the cheek cells, center of the cells. What is the difference between boundary of onion cells and cheek cells? Next, the boundary of a cheek cell is the cell membrane. It is the outer covering layer of the cell. The boundary of a cheek cell is the cell membrane. Next, it gives definite shape of the cell. The cell membrane gives definite shape of the cell, and it allows only some selected substances through this membrane. That's why it is also called as selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable membrane. It is selected some substances and passes through this membrane. That's why this is also called as selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable membrane. In the cells of the onion peel, the outer covering is the clearer than the cheek cells. The onion peel cells are opaque. Next, because there is another layer present over the cell membrane, that is the cell wall. The cell wall is only present in the plants. Only present in the plants. Sir, Tulasi sir.
మేడం చెప్పండి మేడం.
ఒకసారి యశ్వంత్ అనే అబ్బాయి యశ్వంత్ సార్ అబ్బాయి తంబలపల్లి అనుకుంటా. ఆ అబ్బాయి క్లాసే వినటంలో ఒక చెట్టు దగ్గర కూర్చొని హ్యాపీగా నవ్వుకుంటా ఉన్నాడు. ఒకసారి అబ్బాయిని చూడండి.
మేడం నేను
రిమూవ్ చేసేయండి లేకపోతే.
మీరు క్లాస్ చెప్పండి మేడం, నేను రిమూవ్ చేస్తున్నా పిల్లల్ని.
Because there is another layer, it is present in the over the cell membrane, that is the cell wall. The cell wall is extra layer present in the plant cell. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. It gives rigidity to the cell, that is the strong. Next, in both cells we can find a dense round body. It is called as nucleus. Both cells, that means your cheek cells and onion peel cells, that is having a nucleus. That is having a nucleus. In cheek cells, nucleus is present more or less at the center of the cell, whereas in onion cells it is not in the center. Only cheek cells, the nucleus is present in the center of the cell, and onion cells it is not in the center. Next, the jelly-like substance between the nucleus and the cell membrane, it is called as cytoplasm. All parts are present in the cytoplasm of the cell. The cell contains several parts. All parts are floating in the cytoplasm. All parts are floating in the cytoplasm. Next, it is a heterogeneous material. It is a heterogeneous material. It contains membrane-bound structures called as cell organelles. It contains membrane-bounded structures. It is called as cell organelles like mitochondria, plastids, ribosomes, lysosomes, Golgi apparatus, and endoplasmic reticulum.